Hello, and welcome to the Cubao Cathedral, the Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception here in Quezon City. I'm Joby Provido, and I'll be your audio tour guide in this self-guided tour. Whether you're here to learn about the cathedral's history or simply to admire its beautiful art and architecture, this self-guided tour is designed with you in mind. This tour comprises 47 stations and will take about 120 minutes to complete. I'll take you from one station to the next, where I'll point out notable features and provide historical, artistic, scriptural, traditional, or symbolic background. If I may suggest, take your time as you explore. If something captures your attention, feel free to pause the audio and resume when you're ready. If you're running short on time, you're welcome to stop and return on a different day to continue where you left off. You're very welcome to take photos, but we kindly ask that you avoid using flash because it can cause colors to fade over time. We'd also like to remind you that this is a sacred space. Please remain reverent as we move through the different stations inside the cathedral, and be careful not to disturb those who are praying. Always use earbuds or earphones so that only you can hear the audio. If you don't yet have a visual map of the tour, you can download it from www.kindlingspress.com/CubaoCathedral/audiotour. Please note there are no spaces in the URL. If you prefer to take the tour without the map, that's perfectly fine also. I'll guide you on where to go and how to position yourself. When it's time to move to the next station, you'll hear this chime. If you're ready to begin, let's start. You can pause the audio after my next instructions, and when you're ready, you can press play again. Walk outside the front door and stand in front of it. You may need to position yourself so that you won't block people from entering or leaving the cathedral. Go ahead, pause the audio, and then press play when you are ready.